I am going to show you a quick tutorial on how to get Seint Makeup on under 3 minutes. So check it out. No, there's no boo-boo. Mommy's showing people how fast you can do your makeup. Makeup's not boo-boo. That's why I'm quiet. All this can be done under 3 minutes if I don't talk to you guys. There's no video. There's no boo-boo hours. There's never boo-boos when you're trying to look pretty. Flawless. All done. Almost 3 minutes. See how fast I can do mascara. So what I need today is mascara, lipstick, blush, makeup, and I'm done for the day. What happened there? Under 3 minutes. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So let's get started. Start filling out your color match form, send it to me, and let's start applying makeup on your beautiful face.